May I request everyone to please stand for our opening prayer.
Please bow your heads and let us pray. Dear Jesus, please show me how to spend this day sharing your love and every day. Help me to be kind to everyone, to play and love and have lots of fun, shining your light and giving your grace, sharing your joy with a smile on my face. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here. And this day be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen.
Now, before you take your seats, please pick up some pieces of papers under your chairs and arrange your chairs properly. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Mom.
How are you today?
We're fine.
It's nice to hear that you are all doing well. Are you now excited to learn something new today?
Yes, Mom.
Very good. Now, did I give you an assignment last meeting?
None, Mom.
Are there any absences from the class today?
None, Mom.
Alright, since none, let us proceed. Now, I have here classroom rules that you need to follow. Everybody read.
Listen carefully. Follow directions. Work quietly. Wait for your turn. Raise your hand.
Are the classroom rules clear to you, class?
Yes, Mom.
Now, I have here a behavioral chart. As you can see, there are two baskets. But before that, let me divide the class first into two. So this side will serve as a group 1, and this side will serve as a group 2. Now, each basket contains 10 strawberries, and each strawberry is equivalent to 1 point. Now, if I caught you misbehaving, then I will remove 1 strawberry in your basket. And if you will participate and follow our classroom rules, then it means you will get 10 points. Is that clear?
Yes, Mom.
So now, we will start our lesson with an energizer. I have here pictures of different people doing something, and I would like you to choose the word here in front that says how something is done based on the picture that I am going to show. Is that clear?
Yes, Mom.
The first picture. Can you read the description?
The baby sleeps.
So the baby sleeps well. Now what do you think is the correct answer of that picture? Who wants to come here in front and choose the word that says how something is done based on that picture? Yes, Tintin. Alright, go back to your seat. So Mary Christine choose the word peacefully. Now let us find out if she is correct. So, Mary Christine is correct. The baby sleeps peacefully. Now, in the second picture, kindly read.
The little boy is crying.
Now, who wants to come here in front and choose the correct word that says how something is done based on that picture? Yes, Hazim. Alright, let us find out. Hazim choose the word loudly. Hazim is correct. The little boy is crying loudly. Now, in the third picture, can you read?
The mother hugged her daughter.
Now, what do you you think is the correct word? Yes, Roxanne. Right? You can go back to your seat. Now, Roxanne choose the word lovingly. Let us find out if she's correct. She is correct. The picture says that the mother hugged her daughter
Lovingly.
Now, class, did you enjoy the game?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any idea of what will be our topic this afternoon?
No, ma'am.
Alright, since you have no idea, then our topic this afternoon is all about everybody please read.
Adverb of manner.
But before we proceed, let us So before we proceed to our discussion, let us know first our learning objectives. Everybody read.
Identify adverb of manner in a given sentences. Construct sentences using adverb of manner and develop an appreciation for the importance of using adverb of manner.
Thank you, everyone. So in order for us to attain these learning objectives, I want everyone to cooperate and participate during our class discussion. Am I clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, before we go deeper about adverb of manner, let us know first what is an adverb. Now, anyone in the class, do you have any idea what is an adverb? Anyone? Yes, Roxanne?
Adverb noun is a word that describes a noun, pronoun, and other.
Another idea? Yes, Apple? What is an adverb?
Adverb is like describing the adjective. Now, Roxanne is correct. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Now, adverb class has different there are different kinds of adverb, but today we will only discuss about adverb of manner. Now, do you have an idea what an adverb of manner is? So yeah, do you have any idea? Your own opinion. All right, so now, an adverb of manner describes how something happens or how an action is done. Again, Miriam, what is an adverb of manner? Right, very good. And now, adverb of manner also answers the question how. Just like for example, can you read the example number 1?
The boy ran quickly.
Now, how did the boy run? Yes, sister?
The boy ran quickly.
Exactly, the boy ran quickly. Now, what do you think is our adverb of manner in that example? Yes, Donna?
Teacher
Great. Our adverb of manner here in example number 1 is the word quickly. Now, let us proceed to example number 2. Everybody please read.
He ate the chocolate cake greedily.
How did he eat the chocolate cake? Read. Yes, Liza.
Greedily.
He ate the chocolate cake greedily. Now, who can give me another example? Who can give me another example? Yes, a sister.
Margie ran to the CR hospital.
Now, how? Again.
Margie ran to the CR hospital.
Now, how did Margaret run? So, what is our adverb of manner in that example? Alright, very good. Now, another example. I want Aurelio to give me another example. Yes, Aurelio?
Barbie in Pacific.
Right, very good. Now, what do you think is our adverb of manner in that sentence?
Pacific.
Very good. Now, another example. Yes, Liza.
Solia is lonely.
So, how did Solia eat?
Slowly, ma'am.
What do you think is our adverb of manner in that example?
Slowly.
Right, very good. In this slide, I saw Roxanne raising her hands earlier.
Donna opened her gate happily.
Alright, so is that example an example of adverb of manner?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now, class, I have here another example. Kindly read the following examples.
Kindly, neatly, painfully, safely, slowly, smoothly, quickly, noisily, lazily, clearly, quickly, silently.
Now, what have you observed in that example? Yes, Hazia. Exactly. That example ends in ly. Now, take a look at the word kindly. What if we get the ly in the end? What word remains?
Kind.
And kind is an example of what? Yes, Apple. Kind is an example of what? Very good. Kind is an example of an adjective. So in short, we can form adverb of manner from adjective. Now, I have here a table. Take a look at the table. What have you noticed in the table? Yes, Liza.
I noticed that the word kind add ly, so that's means kindly.
Very good. So, in that table, they just add ly in the end. So, in some adjective class, we just have to add ly in the end to make it an adverb of manner. So now, but remember class, this is not applicable for all adjectives. In some cases, we have to change or remove something from the adjective to make it an adverb of manner. Is that clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So do you have any clarifications?
None, ma'am.
So since none, let us have a group activity. Now in this group activity, I want each group to choose their leader, their secretary, and a reporter. But the same group as earlier. Kindly read your direction.
Construct sentences describing the actions in each picture using an adverb of manner.
Is that clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
This is for one. I will give you 3 minutes to finish your work. But before you start, for you to be guided, this is your training. Everybody read.
Content, 10 points. Neatness, 5 points. Teamwork, 5 points. Total of 30 points.
You may now start. One, do we have any problem? Do you have questions? Other group, kindly please help your place. Remember, we have our behavioral chart. Are you done? Then post down your work here in the board. Now is the representative of group 1 and represent your work.
So we are the group 1. The first sentence. The children play warmly. So the adverb of manner is warmly. And then they sang beautifully at the concert. And the adverb of manner is beautifully. And the water flowed smoothly down the river. So smoothly is the adverb of manner.
Alright, thank you, group 2. Now let us give score to each group. So for group 1, the children played happily. So is this sentence correct?
Yes.
Where do you think the adverb of manner here is? The first sentence. Yes, Roxanne.
Happily.
Very good. So this is correct. Now, can you read the third sentence?
The water flows smoothly down the river.
So how did the water flow?
Smoothly.
So where is our adverb of manner?
Smoothly.
Alright. Smoothly is our adverb of manner. Now for group 1, are the sentences they constructed correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will give them 10 points. How about the neatness? So, the teamwork.
Yes, ma'am.
Cooperate and help their roommates.
Yes.
Earlier, that there are other group members who do not help their roommates. I will give them 4 points. So, 10 plus 5.
15. 90.
They got the points up. So for group 2, are the sentences they constructed correct?
Yes.
Alright, it is correct. So then I will give them 10 points. For the neatness. Quiet, quiet everyone. I will give them 4 points. So for the teamwork. Alright, I will give them 5 points. Alright, 10 plus 4.
40.
Plus 5.
90.
Now give yourselves a round of applause. Now, I believe that you already understand our lesson this afternoon. Am I right?
Yes.
So to sum up your learning, I have here some questions that you need to answer. But before that, do you know the song Bahay Kubo?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing it for me?
Yes, ma'am. Bahay kubo, kahit munti, halaman doon. Ay sari-sari, sigaman at talong, sigarilyas at mali, sitaw-tawa tahi.
Alright, thank you everyone. Now, what is an adverb of manner? Yes, Rika? What is an adverb of manner? Snoky.
Adverb of manner is a word that describes how something is done.
Alright, do you think the Snooki's answer is correct? Alright, an adverb of manner describes how something happens or how an action is done. Now, how can we form most adverb of manner? Yes, Debbie J. How can we form most adverb of manner? Alright, very good. We can form
most adverb of manner by adding
L-Y.
Alright, so now, who can give me the importance of using adverb of manner in the sentence? Rogelio?
Adverb manner are important because they provide additional detail on how an actor is performed.
Alright, exactly. How about this side? What is the importance of using adverb of manner in the sentence? Yes, Cherry.
The importance of using adverb is make us more
Alright, thank you, Cherry. So is she correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly give Cherry and Rogelio a barangay clap. Adverb of manner is very useful since they let us add a lot of extra details to instruction and to make what we say more interesting and dynamic to the listener or reader. So is that clear, class?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you have any clarifications or questions? Right, so since none, let us have a quiz. Everybody read the direction.
Read the following sentences and underline the adverb of manner found in each sentence.
So, can you get one in class? Get one. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you pass your papers
Yes.
forward? Now, let us go back to our behavioral chart. Have you noticed? What have you noticed in our behavioral chart?
they are still full
Strawberries.
Right, so there is no strawberry taken, right? Because I saw earlier that all the groups cooperated and participated in the activity. So each group will receive 10 points. Alright. Now, for your assignment, can you get your assignment notebook and copy your assignment? Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Kindly all stand for our closing prayer. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. So before I give my comments, please congratulate our demonstrator. And here are the comments. So the teacher have a well-modulated voice as what you have observed as she demonstrated, you have modulated. And also, the ICT is also in use or was integrated. But as what you have observed kanina, some of the instructional materials are somewhat lack in size, no? So, pero that's all good, Gapon. And shows mastery on her topic. And she engaged learners in the discussion and she managed the class well. And then she facilitates group activities, no, siya, nag-roam around siya. Then applied other subject or integrated in the another curriculum, just like ipakount niya, di ba? So, makonsider ko siya as math. So, congratulations.